How to turn off password or PIN login in Windows. Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. Today I'm going to teach you on how to turn off password login in Windows or PIN login for whatever reason you want to remove it. So first of all, our password is connected to our Microsoft account. So go to the Start menu and click on Settings. Then go to Accounts, and here in Your Info, we can see that we are logged in with the Microsoft account. So we're just gonna have to remove this account and we're gonna use the local account instead. So just go and click on Sign in with the local account instead. Click on Next, and of course you're going to have to enter your PIN for one last time, and here you're going to have to enter your local account info. For the purpose of this video, I'm just gonna enter password as well, because I'll show you in the following minutes that how to remove the password from a local account too. So just click on Next and Finish. After you log in into your system with the local account, I am going to show you on how to remove your password from a local account too. So click on Search button and type in there Sign in Options. Now click on Password and then click on Change. Here you have your current password. Enter your password and just click on Next. Now there are three multiple blanks with new password confirmation and all, so just leave all the fields blank and click on Next and Finish. This is how you can turn off password or PIN login in Windows. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to the channel for more amazing contents. See you in the next video.